Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the Bulgarian split squat. All right, so let's grab our weight, and then now we're going to either use a bench or what we have here is a Bulgarian split squat attachment for our rig. So we're going to step a little bit ahead, that way you're in about the same position that you would be for a split squat. So about like this far apart. All right, we're going to step ahead, we're going to bring the one leg up, reach back until we feel that we've made contact. We're putting the top of our foot on the platform, and then from here we're dropping our back knee straight down. So back knee straight down and then up, right? What we don't want to do is lean forward to here and then come up, right? So keep your chest high, back knee straight down, and then back up. Now there's a quick tutorial for our Bulgarian split squat. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Or click the video right here for the next in the series. Bulgarian split squats, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.